Why do 32% of potential EV buyers worry about charging? Say goodbye to those worries with SOS for EVs. Imagine this. You're on a road trip miles away from the nearest charging station and your battery's running low. No sweat. With our Recharge It service, you can summon rapid support anytime, anywhere, or find a fellow EV owner to help you out by using their charger. But wait, there's more. Our InsureMyBattery.com subscription club keeps you informed about your battery's health. If it fails, we will replace it, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to pick up used bargains worry-free, so you can drive with confidence and avoid unexpected costs. SOS for EVs isn't just a service, it's your all-in-one EV companion. From emergency assistance to battery insurance, we've got your back every mile of the journey. Whether you're an EV newbie or a seasoned pro, our app-based platform offers membership, protection, peace of mind and savings all in one place. Drive smarter and worry less with SOS for EVs. Visit sos4evs.co.uk today. You can get this unique opportunity and potential multi-million-pound business for the price of a used EV for a limited time only. Or if we really like your business plan, get it free in exchange for a percentage of your company in any eventual IPO or sale. Think about it. Unlimited recurring revenue from subscriptions in a growing market. Matching domain and number plate for brandability. There is only one SOS for EVs. Don't miss out. When it's gone, it's gone.